Are you still troubled by the POS machine always came out with problems? Are you still looking for one cheaper POS machine that supports your Windows 10 Pro systems? Today I would like to introduce to our most effective all-in-one POS machine that supports a Windows 10 Pro system, POS-1519. Firstly, the same cost through strict production control. Our company repair rate is only 0.1%, which is 10 times higher than average 1% of the peers. Pastries element oil base. In factory, prevent shake during touch. At last, free combination of single screen and dual screen. Customer display makers customization more diverse, like add MSR and VFD. So what are you still worried about? Just click the link below and our safety will quickly response to you.